Here's how to properly operate your new KWM Ironman Elbow Machine. Start by pulling the indexing pin out and turning it to make sure that it stays out. Then using your push tool, push the downspout piece all the way against the backstop and use the slots on the top of the machine to ensure that your piece is seated against the plate. If your piece is not seated or flush against the plate, your machine will jam up when you go to use it. After ensuring you're all the way against the stop, pull the crimp handle down. Then head over to the advancing handle and turn the pin back in to lock it. The advancing handle should travel all the way up and all the way down until it stops. This will advance the piece out so you can make your next crimp. Repeat crimping and advancing until you've reached the number of bends that you've selected on the top of the machine. That is how you use your KWM Ironman Elbow Machine.